Changing a bulb in your Honda Pilot brake light is super easy to do, and you've come to the right place for step-by-step instructions as I change my own. Don't go to the dealership or Minute Lube to have it done. I'm confident that you can repair this yourself after watching this video. So let's start by popping open the back door. There are only 2 Phillips screws that need to be taken out. At this point, the taillight assembly is still secured by 2 plastic tabs, but if you wiggle the taillight and try to pull it straight back, it will pop out without too much pressure. Here's what the tab looks like so you know what you're dealing with. The brake light is in the bottom position, so just twist the bulb connector counterclockwise and slip it out. The bulb for the Honda Pilot can be pulled straight out of its connector. You can see that this one is burned out. And the part number for the replacement bulb is 7443, and there are several brands you can buy, not just Sylvania. Now just reverse the process to finish the job. Make sure the replacement bulb is pushed all the way in. Then put the connector back into the taillight assembly and give it a counterclockwise turn. Now line up the taillight assembly and pop in the plastic tabs into the fender. It'll snap back into place with a light push. Then just put the screws back in and you should be as good as new. Now you can see that my brake light is working again. Please let me know in the comments if you're successful at fixing your Honda Pilot brake light. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, The Render Cube, for more how-to videos and product reviews.